Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, I'm very nervous. This is my first video, but we're going to be making today a spring kerchief, a crochet spring kerchief. Like a bandana that you can wear on your head. It's a cute accessory. So, we're going to be using Bernat Softee baby cotton in green. So I have it here. Whoops. It's all rolled out, so it's a little bit messy. And I know this is kind of close, the camera, but hopefully it'll help you guys even more with the tutorial. So first we're going to start with a slip knot. Start that, and we're going to chain 4. You can do this and go back into the first chain and slip stitch, and then you could chain 4 here and just work into the ring, or you could do a magic ring, but since we've done this already, I'll just start here. So you're going to yarn over and make 3 double crochet into the center. 1, 2, 3. Hope you guys can see this. There you go. And then chain 1. Now we're going to do 3 more double crochet. That's 1, 2. I'm checking to see that you guys can actually see it. And 3. There you go. Now we're going to chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet into the center. So now that we're finished with that, you can tighten this, and we're going to chain 4. 2, 3, 4, and turn. Now this is not my pattern at all. I will link the video, the original video, in the description below. But this is what I make with chunkier yarn. The person that I got the pattern from used crochet thread, which you can also do. I've made one of those before, but this pattern we're doing for size 3 light yarn. So we chained 4 and turned. And now we're going to yarn over and work 3 double crochet into this chain 1 space, the very first chain 1 space. 2, 3, and chain 1. After every 3 double crochets, we're going to chain 1. So keep that in mind. Here we are in, well, okay, we chain 1. Now we're making 3 more double crochet. So here you see we have a center, and in this center we're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 1, and do 3 more double crochet. And you're going to do that into every center as we go along. 3. Sorry if my hands are moving so quickly. Chain 1 and find the next chain space that we made with that last double crochet and put 3 more double crochet. 3, and again chain 1 and do 1 more double crochet. We always end with a single double crochet. Chain 4 and turn, and we're going to repeat that pattern for about 13 rows in total, and it's just going to be in the triangle shape. So I'm going to stop the video and come back to you when we've got some more. Alright, so I came back just to do another row with you in case I was going too quickly the first time. So here I am, I'm going to chain 4 at the end of a row, beginning of a new row, and turn, and I'm going to double crochet 3 into the first chain space. So I'm going to go really slowly. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is a double crochet, in case you didn't know. And do that again. And there we go, 3 double crochet into that chain 1 space, and now we're going to chain 1 and put another 3 double crochet into this chain space, this chain space, and this chain space. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. And chain 1. Move over here, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and we'll just continue. Now we've reached the center, and this is a chain 1 space, so we're going to double crochet 3, oops, 3, and chain 1, and double crochet 3 again into the same chain 1 space. Alright, so I think you guys have gotten the idea of it so far, so I'm going to stop again, and I'm really going to come back next time when I have more. Okay, and we're back. So, as you can see, counting from the middle loops, we have 13 rows from the first loop to the last loop. And we are right here at the end, so we're going to cut our yarn, leaving a tail, pull that through, and set that aside. And here, now we're going to make the string. So I'm going to make a slip knot, leaving a long enough tail, and I'm going to chain 35. Let's start out with 35 and see how that goes. Alright, that got cut off, but we're going to continue chaining to 65 instead of 35. And we've chained 65. We're going to attach it to where we cut our yarn. So I'm going to get my hook in there, in the corner, as close to the corner as possible, and slip stitch into there. And I'm going to single crochet 2 times into this stitch. 1, 2 single crochet, And now we're going to single crochet 2 in every stitch across. Alright, now that we've reached the end, we're going to chain the same amount of chains that we did for this end in the next one, and that would be 65. Now that we have 65 chains on both ends, we are going to slip stitch into every chain down until you reach the body of the kerchief. You could single crochet, but I prefer to slip stitch just because I think it uses a little bit less yarn, so, and it doesn't add too much bulk to the strings. So I'm just gonna do this and we'll come back. Okay, so we have slip stitched into every chain of 65 and we're back at the body. So we're going to single crochet into every chain on the edge. So in these little V's, we're going to single crochet into every one down to the bottom. Now I'm going to slip stitch into these chains on the other end. Alright, so we have slip stitched into every stitch, and that will complete your spring kerchief. So we're just going to cut that end and pull. You could tie these off and get a tapestry needle and weave in your ends. Sometimes, depending on the yarn, I'll just weave it in using my hook. By the way, I didn't mention in the beginning, but this is a size I crochet hook. This is one of two, the only 2 crochet hooks that I have. So unless I'm making something with crochet thread, I use this hook. And there you go, a beautiful kerchief. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that, and let me know in the comments how I did, as it being my first tutorial, and let me know what else you'd like to see. If you'd like to see me make anything, or if you want to see me make this using crochet thread instead of size 3 yarn, just let me know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.